Tesla is known for its extensive supercharger network, one of the largest fast-charging networks globally. However, their EV home charging solutions are just as reputable and well-designed. The Tesla wall connector features a simple and sleek hardware design. It has a glossy white finish accented by green LED lighting. The 24-foot cable provides ample reach for most home charging setups. With an operating temperature range from -22°F to 122°F, the wall connector is designed to withstand a wide range of climates, making it suitable for most locations.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.